Hello guys, good morning. And today kami ay papunta sa, where are we going to? Silent City.
We're preparing for Memorial Day weekend. Memorial Day is on Monday, so we're going to a bunch of grave sites with my family, cleaning them up, putting flowers on them, stuff like that.
Yes, so ayan na, nakikinig kayo. So, karang weekend, this weekend kasi is yung Memorial Day. So,
I don't have to work Monday.
yes. So, we are going to clean sa mga graves, ayan, loved ones, ayan. Yan, nag-buy me of flowers, ayan. I'm wearing black today. Am I beautiful? Guys, we're here. And yeah.
This looks bad.
Wala pa na mawiran. Taga sa mga sagbot. Gamera ko ano. Gamera o. Oh, we don't have flag.
Yeah, and my father's
Oh, we're here.
my father's flag
Magnut.
is gone. Someone stole my father's flag.
Oh. So guys, naugta. Mga naugta guys. Kaya nindot kay og sounds. We've got tonight. We've got tonight. Are you disappointed?
I'm not sure what to do.
La 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 la. Magpainit na kaya. We need vitamin D. Vitamin D for Darna! Tawanan. Let's go out. Guys, ready na mi maglimpyo kay na mi water. Na may silhig, na may ma-flowers, na may pang spray, but wala pa man siya na mawiran. Wala pa siya na bagnot pa. So, mabalik daw kung may una. So, mauna lang to, no? So, guys, maadto mi sa iyang brother kay mahulami ko pamutol sa nabog ani mga sagbot para limpyo ba nagutang sa bulak limpyo. So mangguna mi taod-taod manghulap sa mi guna no. Yes, kung abi ninyo di ko kabalong guna pues pakitaan ta mo kung saan pagguna kasi ninyo ang inyong pagguna pang tiang-tiangan ra ninyo ha, pakitaan ta mo niya manghulap sa mi guna. So nagsinabot na ta. for watching.